Well, hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of Adelaide lockdown. It's Wednesday, I think. And I must have known it was Wednesday because my body woke up at the normal 7:30 time, which was so odd because I didn't have any school driving to do today. So of course I just rolled over and went back to sleep again, but then got a sudden shock wake up when my alarm went off at 9:30. So I grabbed my phone to scroll through Facebook and check for any updates that we have here, and also just make sure I'm a little bit semi-awake before I decide to get up for the day. Don't forget to trip over something that you probably left on the floor that you shouldn't have, and don't worry about making the bed because all good housewives know you have to air out the bed. Then at 11, because I took so long to have my coffee and chill, my friend April was running an online Zoom class for Zumba, so I decided to have a go. Oh my god. People say to me all the time, I'm so uncoordinated for Zumba, and I say, no, you're not. You just don't know the steps, so just make something up, which is pretty much what I was just doing because I was just a bit all over the place, especially because she was using quite a few of the songs that we use. And then my internet also started lagging, so I had no idea what she was doing. So I was just making stuff up as we go. I did some editing for the Dyson review. I've just put this footage in here to remind myself to talk about it. And then I started getting lunch ready because there are suddenly all these employees in the house that I need to feed. Jeremy says I'm his personal assistant. I don't mind making lunch for everybody because that's what a mum does. And I enjoy it. And then I know everyone's had a good lunch. Did some more editing and some working online as well because I had to get some other footage fixed, and so I multitask a lot. And then in a minute you'll see me do some online shopping for some new shoes because I realized during this morning's Zumba class on a different floor I need some new shoes with some new support because it has been a year since I bought my last pair, which was in the last lockdown. So this is what I enjoy. And then we get a notification that there's going to be an update, 2 in 1 day. That's not good. Let's check it out.
To that. In fact, we go from 6 cases in South Australia to 12. There will be another 5 announced with regards to the Tenerife.
Of course, I jumped online to check out New South Wales and Victoria updates because I really like to keep informed with how they're going, and reached out to a couple of people to see how they're going and chatted to some other people about the Zumba class that I released, and I'll try and remember to put the link down below. And then I made a batch of cookies, the 100 cookie recipe. I'll try and remember to put a link to that as well. Super quick and super easy. And it's meant to make 100. I'm not sure I got there this time. So of course I've had some cookie thieves come in, and this is pretty much the before. I then filmed a little lockdown shop that I did, and I'm going to edit and put that up soon. They're my slippers. Yes. Can I have my slippers back, please? Why do you have my slippers? Where are your slippers? Why do you just keep shaking your head at me? This is what it's like living with children. Take things from you. So the cookies are done. They magically seem to have disappeared somewhere. Little and big hands in there. Dinner, we are having chicken schnitzels, we'll have chicken parmesanas, ham, cheese, pineapple, potato wedges, and veggies as well. So I'm not going to do any dessert because I think those cookies are going to be dessert because I made them too late right before dinner. So we're having a upside down dinner, dessert first and then our main. Okay. Well, there you go, day 2 of lockdown, and many cookie thieves have been through this kitchen. Yeah, not a lot to show you guys today. I had to do a lot of editing for videos and some other bits and pieces, chatted to quite a few people in New South Wales and Victoria, and watched some other things and news content online, and just chilled a little bit. Tomorrow I'll probably do a little bit of cleaning and some other stuff, but yeah. Hope you are well wherever you are in the world and that you're not going stir crazy. I hope I have entertained you for a very short amount of time. Please don't forget to check out my Zumba playlist that I have, and I'll try and remember to link it down below as well. It's a free, about short of an hour workout for you guys, something to do. I've had quite a few people tell me they're in quarantine, so they're very grateful. And as I say, look, I'm a bigger girl, but it's a free workout, low impact, lots of fun. I pull lots of faces. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys so you can have something to do and be entertained. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.